In this lesson about latent semantic analysis, we are going to use the same notebook as with our LDA model. To run this new model, we must first import the class we need. From Gensim Models, import LSI model. Please note that LSI and LSA are often used interchangeably. In Gensim, the class is called LSI model, so you'll often hear me call it this way when I refer to the code. We then create our model. The code is very similar to what we did in the previous lesson. Inside the parentheses, we first reference the corpus, which is our document term matrix. Then we specify the number of topics, which we set earlier to 2, using the parameter numTopics. Finally, we set our ID to word mapping, which is our dictionary. After running the model, we display the topics using LSA model.printTopics. Here we have 2 topics. We can see that they differ slightly from when we ran the LDA model. Okay, let's now move on to how we can optimize the number of topics. See you in the next lesson.